Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display drop down value item in email subject in contact form 7 in WordPress. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see your name, your email, and then you see drop down value. So when user select CEO subject email, so we are going to display this value on email subject. Now go to form. So this is our form. Now you see our field. Now go to mail and then you see tag, your name, email. So copy this. So this is our drop down and then you see subject. So paste here. Now you see subject. So you can add also here. So it's up to you. So this is our format. We are using break line. Now you see and then click on save. Now form save done. Go to form page and refresh the page. So we added drop down tag in subject section. Now you see your name, email. So we added name, email, and then you see we select drop down CEO, subject email, and then click on submit. Now you see form submission done. Now go to email to check. So we are in email section and then you see this email we received. Now you see subject, CEO, subject email. So this is our drop down value or item. Now you see, now open it. Now you see from subject, CEO, subject email. Now you see all data. Now back to WordPress. So in WordPress contact form 7 in mail tab. So we added tag in subject and in here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.